In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Nordvpn on Kodi, ensuring your streaming experience is both secure and unrestricted. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll enjoy seamless streaming with the added security of a VPN. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first step is to install Nordvpn on the same device where you have Kodi. If you're using a Windows PC or a macOS device, head over to the Nordvpn website at nordvpn.com. Here you'll find the download link that suits your system. Simply download and install the application by following the on-screen instructions. If you're an Android user or have a firestick, you'll want to visit either the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store to get the Nordvpn app from there. Again, simply follow the prompts to install it. For those using Linux, a bit more technical know-how is required. You'll need to access the terminal and follow the setup instructions provided on NordVPN's site specifically for Linux users. Now that you have NordVPN installed, let's move on to logging in and connecting. Open the NordVPN app on your device. You'll need to enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by visiting their website, but I'll assume you already have this step sorted. Once logged in, you'll see an option called Quick Connect. Clicking this will automatically connect you to the best server available, optimizing for both speed and security. However, if you have specific content in mind, you may wish to manually select a server location. For example, if you're trying to access BBC iPlayer, you'd select a server located in the UK. Similarly for Hulu, opt for a US-based server to ensure smooth streaming. Now that you're connected to a server that aligns with your streaming needs, it's time to open Kodi. Launch the application, browse to your favorite content, and start streaming. With NordVPN active, your connection is encrypted, meaning your data is more secure from cyber threats. Additionally, your IP address is hidden, offering you a layer of privacy as you stream content world over. That wraps up our tutorial today. As you can see, setting up NordVPN on Kodi is an easy process that significantly enhances your streaming experience both in terms of access and security. If you encounter any issues, NordVPN's website is a helpful resource with detailed guides on troubleshooting common problems. Thank you for joining me today. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows without any limits. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next guide.